Hey all, welcome to my channel. Hope all is well with you and your families. I'm sure you are getting into a festive mood with Diwali around the corner. I am Neelam and you are watching Anahata Designs. As we all know, Deepavali is incomplete without diyas, so today I am going to demonstrate a simple way to make homemade diya that can be used to decorate your house or workplace. It not only spreads the positivity but also cleanses the environment. It would be an added value if you could do yourself. I'm sure you will cherish the process and feel immense joy when you light the diya made by you. I would explain full procedure along with the video, so do watch it till end. If you are new here, please do subscribe and like the video if you feel worth it. The first diya is the round diya. For that, I am using this jhumka mold size 2. Apply some oil into your hands and start building the hand-built diya. You might feel difficult if you are working with clay for the first time, but practicing makes it all easier. Just follow the steps which I am doing. Apply some oil and water to smoothen the edges and corners of your diya. Put this hand-built diya aside once it is finished and we would move towards the part 2 of this round diya. I have a chunk of clay here with me which we would just roll it with the rolling pin, smoothen it and cut it with a round cutter. I am using the biggest size of the round cutter because I want a good big diya. Place the hand-built diya in between this round clay slab, mark it and scratch the area with the knife. Do same on the hand-built diya. Apply some clay slip on both the scratched part of the diyas to stick it together. Apply some generous amount of clay slip. Be sure that both of the pieces stick together. Now we can start designing our diya. Don't worry if you don't have all these tools. You can even use the knife. Just look around into your house and kitchen and you would find many tools which you would easily be able to use as a designing tool, as I am using this pen to do this design. Be creative with the designs. Don't just copy it. The tool here I am using to create this inverted V is made by cutting this plastic spoon into 2 halves. It turned out so beautiful. I was very happy with this design. Let's begin to the diya number 2. We would use the square cutter for it. Use the biggest size square cutter. For this design I am using a round cap here which we usually found on deodorant or on a spray bottle. Just press this cap in between the diya to make the space to put a candle or a hand-built diya in it. Start designing the diya. Allow your creative mind to do some experiments and bring out some beautiful designs. Take this as only a reference. Tada! Our simple and beautiful diya is ready. Let's begin towards the third diya. This is the biggest one and one of my favorite. I am using a lid of a grocery box and just using it to mark the circle and cut it with the cutter. Smooth the edges. Mark a round design with the round cutter. Don't cut it. Use clay. I have made a clay coil here. Cut the coil in between. I will be only using a part 1 of a clay. Scratch off the area where I want to put this coil. Do same with the coil and apply the slip on both of the scratched parts. The idea is I just wanted a space in middle of this diya to put some flowers or make it more creative by doing some design in between. I have specially designed these diyas in a very simplified manner so that all of you can give it a try. So don't resist yourself and try it at home. You can easily get the clay from the potters nearby. Just be kind enough to pay them for the amount of work they have done to separate the dirt from this clay. Again, use the bottle cap to mark the 8 diyas and apply some pressure. Follow the steps and create a space to put the diya in between. This is the refill which I am using to create this design. In case if you are not able to make these diyas at home and you have to buy it from outside, please purchase it from the small vendors and diya makers instead of buying it online or from some fashionable store. It may just take you a little effort to go and explore the market and find the small vendors who sell these diyas near footpath or the local markets. Pandemic has changed the shopping scenario. Everything is online. Many small businesses have suffered extreme loss. This is the time to help such people. I have recently been to the potters nearby to harden my jewelry pieces. I saw women were working, making beautiful diyas there. They work on daily wages. You won't believe they only get 100 rupees after making 1000 diyas, and these diyas are getting sold at only 80 paisa. Only 80 paisa after so much of hard work. Although it was a wholesale business, and when this diyas comes to retail market, the additional charges are added into it. So buying such things from small vendors and sellers will not only give them joy but also would motivate them. They would also be able to light a diya in their own houses. And we have finished our third diya also. This is our 18-1 thali diya. From all the three, I loved this one so much. Tell me, which one did you like the most? Just give it a try and share your designs with me on my Instagram account @anhata_designs. Wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. See you soon. Goodbye.